What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We're tuning in for another video, man. Y'all know how we do, man. It's track day, track trip, man. We taking Big Dolo out today, as y'all can see, probably by the thumbnail that I done got or gonna get. But we taking Big Dolo out today on the 60s. I wanted to take it last week. Track went open. Cause I'm dying to see how this joker runs since I redid the carburetor and changed some things up in it. And now we don't have no top end ball, which I have never got a clean run on 2060 because I don't know, for some reason, every time it wanted to show his face when I was on the rims trying to run on motor, it would show his face. So first hit, we going off the trailer on motor. Y'all know this car ain't been to the track on wheels, man, in months. I mean, people probably like, why you don't take Dolo to the track? I mean, I get asked that question, but the car ready. I mean, it's nothing to do. It's dialed in. It's not dialed in on wheels. It got a lot more left on wheels. I ain't ran enough really to even personal best the car on wheels. But there we going for tonight, some legitimate testing. We gonna spread all of that. And I got something I'm trying to do today. Man. It should be some good air, good weather, and you know, all of that good stuff. So I'm about to move the cars around. Well, I'm about to move my Monte Carlo and back this joker out, put some racer fuel in it, and it's gonna be ready to roll, man. We hitting the track, me and wifey and family hitting the track tonight. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna hit y'all when I do all that. Catch y'all. All right, BCG fam, we done made it. We done touched down, man. We done made it to the track. Big Dolo, smooth trip. Weather good. It feeling good. I'm feeling good. I think Dolo feeling good. So, y'all know it always start out that way. But we're gonna see if we can see something, man. We can make some magic happen today, y'all. See what it do. Been a long time for old Dolo coming out. It just been chilling. So we finna see if we can make something happen today, man. See if we can get y'all a show on these old 6s. So I'm gonna get this thing unstrapped. We're gonna I go ahead and set the tire pressure on the trailer. And you know how we do in our regular fashion, man. We're gonna try to be one of the first one down the track. And do what we got to do, and we'll load up, head back, man, analyze, fine tune, and come back and then make it happen. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna turn y'all on in a few. Okay, y'all, first pass motor, see how it do. Feel the track out. 60 foot. That 60 foot high though. We gotta do something about this 60 foot, man. But we finna go ahead and we're going ahead and throw the bottle in here, man. See what happens. So y'all stay tuned. All right, yo, we took it in. So I was just checking over everything. That pad actually was slow. It was slow on the motor. It went down good, but I had the air cleaner on too. I usually run the air cleaner off. Y'all would not believe that make a big difference with that airflow on that carb. And my air filter is extremely dirty. I just use it for protection. I don't really care about it, but trust me, it make a difference. So, but it looked good, feel good, then pop. So I know why it was down. Ain't no biggie. I'm gonna make another motor pass, but we're gonna make a nitrous hit right now, and then I make a motor pass and see how it do. Cause I got a feeling of what it'll do on motor. So we're gonna check in, and I'm finna get this nitrous bottle in the car. So y'all stay tuned. All right, we're gonna see how this nitrous pad go. going straight. Whew. I know it did something. Then tighten the seatbelt up on me. Let me see. Let's see what we did. Oh yeah. Whoo, look at that 60 foot. Woo, woo. Look at that 60 foot. I got up out of there then. I can get some more. There was a little
tone it down, but I can creep up on it now. Ooh, boy, that 60 foot. I gotta see that ticket, man. It'd be a little slower than the ticket, but I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. All right, we checking in, y'all. I'm finna make a Hail Mary pass. So I'm finna see what happened and see if we're gonna get it to do what it do. So y'all stay tuned. I done did it. Y'all know little bro know when I do that, he know what that mean. He know what that mean. Hey, we done went. Hey, and it got some more. It got some more. I'm going home. Look, I finna go on the trailer. I told wife, I said, look, if I pull up, you see me dance, she look through the mirror, I said, you see me dance, you know what time it is. So she came in, I gave her the ticket. I said, hey, we done did it, we got some more. We got some more, baby. I knew you had it in you, boy. I knew you had it in you. And we got some more, man. Boy, they say, hey, Dolo done went down. Every pad just smooth. We just babying it. I gave it a little more. That joker went. I promise you, it went a number. It went a number and it got some more. It went. So look, I'm finna take the bottle out. We going home. I'm finna chill. That's it. So I turn y'all on. We get back to the shop and put it back in the shop. We gonna see Showtime tomorrow, baby. We taking Meat to Showtime tomorrow, and then Meat's gonna come and do his thing. So yo, man, I'm proud of Dolo, man. My night is made. My night is made, baby. I'm finna go home. We going home. Ain't no need to do nothing else. I told wife, I said, ain't no need to show nothing else, cause I know what to put in that box. I've been in there punching. I punched on little keys. I said, I told wife, I said, let me go in here. I got to punch on there saying, I punched it in. It's on there. You seen it? You saw it. Your daddy went down there fast. How your daddy went down there? How he went down there? Woo, woo, woo. You seen that? You seen that? How your daddy went down there? Let me see. You're like. Woo, she ran out the screen, but she ran out the screen. We were flying. Hey, but look, man, I'm finna load up for real. Our day is done. I know what to put in that joker. It gonna go. I told wife I ain't no need to show no more. That's it. It's a wrap. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all in the shop and catch y'all in a minute. All right, we taking in, man. Y'all see we got big DOLO strap back down. Man, it's been a great night. It's been a great night. That joker done hit the tires, nail time. I just kind of I babied it on the first pad because it was slower. I mean, ain't do nothing exciting no motor. But on that gas, oh yeah, after that first gas pad, when I just laid it down, A to B, 20-some%, long ramp, I said, okay. I told wife, I said, man, I'm finna give it to her. Like I told y'all on the GoPro, I said, man, I'm finna give it to her. A little more, not everything, but I gave it a lot more than what I did, and that joker went. It went when it came in and it hit them tires. I said we finna roll. I said we finna ride, and it so went. All I can say. So yeah, man, we on point. Carburetor on right. The carburetor is best it ever been, man. I did it, redid the carb. It ain't no top end ball, and y'all see we won a personal best. I redid the carburetor. I rebuilt the carburetor, changed some things, and we won a personal best. I got to be going in the right direction, man. Set the ramps and stuff, set my own ramps and all that, so we on point. We definitely on point, man. Hey, I told DOLO, I said, hey, you better get right today. You better act right. So, yeah, man, we're finna get home, unload this thing, man, and hope y'all enjoyed the vlog, man. Y'all know I like to share every moment with y'all, man, especially when I win, we win together. So, yeah, we're gonna put this thing up. Get ready for tomorrow. Got to get Meech over to Showtime, and we're gonna get Meech back going. Then when we come back with Meech, we're gonna put Meech on the radios and we're gonna let it eat. So yeah, man, I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.